Welcome back to our interior design series. Today, we're going to show you how to create a stunning white kitchen backsplash using a variety of stylish components. Whether you're going for a classic look or a modern touch, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Before we start, let's take a moment to plan our design. We've selected an assortment of materials to work with, including white subway tiles, marble slabs, glass tiles, and more. The key to a successful backsplash is creating harmony with your kitchen's overall style. In our case, we'll be going for a timeless, yet contemporary look. The first step is to prepare the surface. Ensure that the wall is clean, dry, and smooth. If needed, patch any imperfections and sand the area lightly. Now, let's gather the tools we'll need: a trowel, a tile cutter, tile spacers, adhesive, and grout. Safety goggles and gloves are a must. Let's get started with our white subway tiles. We'll begin at the center and work our way outwards. Apply the adhesive using the trowel, creating even ridges. Now, carefully place the tiles, using tile spacers to maintain an equal gap between them. Continue this process until the entire area is covered. Now, to add visual interest, let's incorporate some variety. Let's use the marble slabs and create a beautiful focal point behind the stove. Measure and cut the slabs to fit the area precisely. The natural veining of marble will add elegance and character to our backsplash. To take it up a notch, let's play with patterns. We'll use the herringbone pattern with arabesque tiles as accent pieces. The herringbone pattern adds a chic and contemporary twist, while the arabesque tiles bring a touch of sophistication. For a touch of modernity, let's mix materials. We'll combine glass tiles with white ceramic tiles to create a sleek and reflective surface. The glass tiles will add a subtle shimmer to the design, while the white ceramics keep the overall look bright and fresh. Texture can make a difference too. Let's create a textured section using mosaic tiles. These small tiles add depth and dimension, and we'll arrange them in a visually pleasing manner. To accentuate the modern feel, let's incorporate stainless steel sheets strategically. We'll place them around the sink area to create a stylish contrast with the white tiles. Now that we've worked with multiple components, it's essential to unify the design. We'll use beveled edge tiles as a border to frame the entire backsplash, creating a seamless and polished look. We're almost done. Let's add some final touches. White penny tiles will be used as decorative inserts for a playful touch, and we'll place them randomly for a subtle yet striking effect. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, we've transformed a plain white kitchen backsplash into a captivating focal point. Remember, interior design is all about creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment with different components and patterns. Have fun decorating your space, and until next time, happy designing.